Hi. Can you see me? That's great. Can you hear me well? Perfect. Well, by the way, I am teacher Jerick and I will be your teacher for today. How about you? What is your name? Oh, what a wonderful name, John. So, by the way, John, I am teacher Jerick and I'm from the Philippines. How about you? Where are you from? Oh, you're from China. Well, China is a very nice place. You know, I dream to go there one day and apply as a teacher. Okay, so this time, John, we're going to learn about some animals that we can see on the farm. Are you ready with our lesson? That's great. But before we proceed with our lesson, I have a video song that we're going to sing and act before we proceed with our lesson discussion. Are you ready? Okay, this time we're just going to follow the song and just follow the lyrics and sing a song, okay? Okay. So, just a moment. I'm going to share the video of the song and we will follow the song, okay? What's up? Happy, happy, the day. The pop, pop, pop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Happy, happy dog. That tail. Wags my wag. Wag, wag, wag. Wag my sail. Wag, wag, wag. Wag, wag, wag. Happy dog. That sail. His tag. Wag, wag, wag. Happy dog. That hugs his sail. Wag his tag. Wag his tail. Up. Well, wag like this. Whoa, please. Whoop like this. We must go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy, happy dog. That's enough. That's our rap. Snip, snip, snip. Happy, happy dog. Snap his round. This is rap. Step our snip. Happy dog that sniffs our round. Snip, snip, sniffs. Snip, snip, sniffs. The happy dog that's around. Snip, snip, sniffs. Snip, snip, sniffs. Okay. So, so this time, we will now continue with our lesson. Did you enjoy the song? That song is about the animal song or the animals that we can see on the farm. Okay. So that song is related with our lesson today because later we will discover that those animals that we can find on the farm. Okay, so let's now check our lesson. I will share it on. I will now share it on the screen. So we will start here. Okay. So as you can see, greet and answer. Okay. So it's just like a common greetings, and so like for example, my name is Teacher Jervik. I am 20 years old. Okay. I like oranges. Okay. Okay. This time it's your turn. You will tell me what is your name and how old are you now and what fruits do you like that you can see on the screen. Do you like oranges, apples, avocado, or watermelon? So you start. It's your turn. My name is. Okay. You say my name is John. Okay, very good. Okay, good. You're 4 years old. How about the fruits? What fruits do you like? Do you like oranges, grapes, avocado, or watermelon? What do you like? Oh, watermelon. So you say, I like watermelon. Can you say it? I like watermelon. Oh, good job. Now let's move on with our next slide. Okay. So let's sing. We're done with this. Let's play. So, and let's learn the say and so summary. Let's skip this part. And so, Happy Dog song. We already sing that song. So, so what? Listen and sing. So what can you see in the picture? Say a farmhouse. Okay, it's a farmhouse. Very good. You're so smart. Good job for that. Oh, by the way, I have my friend here. It's a. This is my friend. Okay, his name is Uni because he is a unicorn. Okay, so Uni, say nice to meet you to John. Okay. So this time, let's move on. Okay, listen and guess. So this time, John, you're going to guess what um what animals what are the animals that we commonly see on the farm. You're going to give me one. Okay? Okay. Lion. Oh, that's okay. Lion is can we see lion on the farm, and is that the right answer on our first image or first picture? So let's move on with the next line is it's what what can you see in the picture? It's a what? It's a that very good. It's a dog. So can you say a dog? Very good. It's a dog. So that is our first animal, and the sound of a dog is. Can you do that? Very good. That's the sound of a dog. So let's move on with our next slide or next animal. So what do you think is our next animal that we can see on the farm? Can you guess it? Oh, zebra. Oh, yeah, we can see a zebra in the zoo. But is that the animal that we can see? That is our next image. Let us check it. Oh, it's a cat. Okay. Can you say cat? Okay, very good. Now, and what do you think is the sound of a cat? Oh, very good. It's that's the sound of a cat. Okay. Now let's move on now with our next animal. Okay. Listen and guess. Again, you're going to guess the next animal that we can see on the farm. Any guess? Snake. Okay, let's find out on the next slide if it's the snake. Oh, it's very good. It's a bird. Say the word bird. Okay, it's a bird. And the sound of the bird is that's the sound of a bird. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Let's learn them together. So we have our first animal, a dog. And the sound of a dog is and our next animal is a cat. And the sound of a cat is what is the sound? Very good. It's a cat. How about the bird? What is the sound of the bird? Oh, very good. Good job for that, John. So if you heard that sound, it's a bird. Okay. So these are the three animals that on we can find on the farm. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay. So look and say. So this time you're going to look what is this animal and say what is the name of this animal. Okay. So look at the first picture. What is this? John. Very good. Good job for that. And because your answer is correct, I'm going to give you a ball as a gift. Okay. So now you have a one ball that is from me. Okay. Later, I'm going to send this ball to you. Okay. As your reward. So good job for that. Now let's move on. How about this? Uni, can you give me another ball? Uni, can you give me another ball? Can you give me another ball, Uni? Okay. Okay, now Jan, look at the picture on the screen. What animal is this? Uni, there. There. Down there. Find some ball, Uni. Okay. Oh, that's right. It's a cat. And what is the sound of the cat, John? Okay, very good. That is correct. Now let's move on. Let's move on to the uh next animal that we can see on the farm. Look and say the name of this animal. It's a what? Very good. It's a bird. And what is the sound of the bird? It's okay. Very good. Good job for that. So we have a dog, cat, and a bird. So these are the three animals that we can see on the farm. Now, so let's have our a short evaluation about our lesson today. Okay. So you're going to look and think and say the name of this animal that we can see on the farm. So look, John, what is this animal? It's a what? It's a bird. Very good. It's a bird. So that's right. Okay, it's a bird. Okay, it's a bird. Okay, it's a bird. Okay, it's a bird. So let's move on. That is correct. Very good. Good job for that. Okay, good job. So you have 1 point for this. Okay, good job. Okay, good job. Now let's move on. Okay, so let's move on to the next. So look again. Look, think, and say. What is this animal that we can see on that we can see on the screen? What is this animal? Okay, this is a very good. It's a dog. Yeah, it's a dog. Okay, so very good. It's a dog. Good job for that. And number 3, look, think, and say. So what is this animal again? This is a very good. It's a cat. And what is the sound of a cat? It's meow, 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 meow. So that's the sound of a cat. Okay. So very good. You got all the 3 correct answers. Okay. Okay. Thank you for attending my class and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.